Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Colorado Lottery app not working. So let's get started. So first you have to see here, we have the Colorado Lottery app here. Okay. So to fix that, we have to uh, tap it here and we have to click on this button as I button. Okay. And then we have to scroll down and here we can see as we have storage. So here we have to go and here we have to click on the clear caches. Then we have to clear the data also. After that we will just go back and we will open our app. So here we can see now the app is working fine. Okay. So if it is not work for you, then you have to reinstall the app. So to reinstall, you will directly click on here by tapping it, and then you have to click on uninstall button and click on OK. Then you have to re-download the app and open it, so it will be start working. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.